Looking for an efficient way to dispose of waste? Disposal King offers affordable disposal bin rentals across Maple Ridge and the Lower Mainland. Let's explore how our services can simplify your cleanup. Disposal bins are essential for getting rid of unwanted items, whether from construction or household waste. With various sizes and price points, Disposal King ensures you find the perfect bin for your needs. Our dedicated team helps you choose the right bin size. Once ordered, we deliver it to your location. Fill it up, and we'll handle the rest. It's that simple and convenient. Brenda G. Lee praised Disposal King for smooth communication during renovations, saying, "The availability and dispatch of bins was much appreciated." Neil Gardner highlighted the fair pricing and skilled drivers, recommending, "I'd recommend calling them." Chris W. appreciated the timely delivery and efficiency, stating, "We'll use them again in the future." For over a decade, Disposal King has provided reliable and professional waste removal services. Whether it's household or construction waste, trust us to make your cleanup hassle-free. Call us today to rent your bin.